Hello guys, this is Motibul Rahman and welcome back to this channel after a long time. So I have created this movie website. So there is some part I also uploaded. So you can see part 1, part 2 for this movie website in my channel. So here is quick demo for you guys. So I have uploaded this movie website in internet, so you can go and see how it is looking. So if you go there, hello movies.netlify.app, you will see. So there is a I'll show you some by clicking some movies how is it looking. It's working guys properly. So it's just a copy and paste works from go any movie website and find the movie link and put, that's all. This Captain America, so everything working. Let's go for Avenger. Look, every movie is working properly. So if you want to this how to add this movie website in your website, how to put link for this movie, tell me in comment. I will make another video for that. So go hellomovies.netlify and you'll see and tell me how it looks. Thank you guys.